All right, good morning. I'm out here for another tournament out in central Minnesota. Lines in is in just a couple minutes, but I'm literally fishing right past the swim zone there, so I don't need much of a run. My only concern is nobody else in a kayak is here, so I don't know if that's going to be a good thing or a bad thing, but there's only 17 of us today, so it's a small field, but there's like 5 lakes that you can choose from. I went with this one because I did pretty well in pre-fish out here, so I'm hoping I can get a couple of those that bit yesterday, and then maybe switch lakes later on in the day if it's not going here. So anyway, I'm gonna get pushed out here and start fishing. There we go. First keeper, maybe. Small keeper. Not real big, but. $13.25. No. Oh, he's still on. Still on. We're okay. He's in one. There we go. Okay, it's like 15.75. Decent. Barely keeper. Oh, it's not bad. I mean, it's a small keeper. Small keeper again, okay. $13.75. Small keeper. Oh boy. That was gigantic. Nope, not big. Oh, still on. Getting bigger. Big. He got big. He got real big. Yeah, that's big. Exactly what I need. Yes. Finally. Pretty good one. fish, but .5. My first good one. Probably take my sweatshirt off. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh my goodness. What the heck are you doing in the middle of nowhere? It's better than not having him. Lay down. Okay, 15. Too bad. Buddy. Back it up. That's a nice one. That was a nice one. Not too bad. Feisty. Alright, 17. That's my biggest one yet. Okay, midday update. It's 12 o'clock. I got 3 hours left. I think I have like 81 inches. It's not bad, but there's a few people. I think I'm in 4th with 81, so I need a couple big calls, a couple kicker fish. I've seen a couple, but I haven't been able to get them to bite, so I'm just gonna keep moving along. Wind is starting to really pick up. I'm on the calm side right now, but it's really blowing. So either way, we'll see how it goes here. See how we end up these last 3 hours. Please be big. Please be big. Real big. Oh yeah. Stay on now. That's the next thing. Oh, he's got a buddy too. Looks like I got the bigger one. I don't even know if it beats 15 3/4. Dang. It does. Does not beat 15 3/4. Damn. Alright. Just gonna be my last spot. Did well here at the end of the day. Yesterday of pre-fish. I also caught my first couple fish this morning over here. I figured since it's right next to the launch, I would just fish it for a little bit. Try to pick up another cull, hopefully. And if not, I'm right by the launch, so I'll just take off. That is gonna do it. 3 o'clock. This thing's over. It's a long day. It was a lot of fun, but no giant ones. I know I lost a couple big ones. Saw a really big one, couldn't get him to bite, but all in all, I had fun. It was a good time. One day of pre-fish. Did my best. Love this new OldTown Sportsman autopilot 120. This thing is awesome. As you can tell, I'm just chilling here in the wind, just spot locked. It's going to be a game changer this year for me. Be able to fish some terrible conditions, even though I hate doing that. I think everybody hates doing that, but sometimes it's what you have to do. So anyway, I'm going to get loaded up and we'll give you the standings here at the end of the video. Thanks for watching.